Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I recently took a trip to the beach with my family and brought this beach cabana by AMMSUN, and it was amazing. They really thought of everything when they designed this. It was super easy to set up, and let me tell you, this cabana is very sturdy. It was put to the test on a very windy day, and because of the four heavy-duty steel ribs and being able to fill the four legs with a large amount of sand, we had no issues. The cabana fit two beach chairs perfectly and allowed space for the kids to play in the sand in front of us. Filling the leg bags with sand was super quick and easy with the shovel that comes with the cabana, and the pink and white stripes just made this cabana look so adorable on the beach. And I love that the stripes made it easy for our boys to find us right away when they came back from playing in the water. Another great feature is the mesh pocket on the leg. I was able to keep my phone out of the sand and I knew exactly where it was, which is nice since I misplaced my phone a lot. The cabana provided great shade and protected my pale skin from the sun, and I love that there is a wall attachment for even more protection. The cabana was just as easy to take down as it was to put up, and I love that they made the bag roomy enough that everything was so easy to slide back into the bag. And the strap and how lightweight it is makes it really easy to carry. And the hook attachment is great for hanging your bags and keys to keep them out of the sand. Unfortunately, we only got one good beach day before the ocean closed due to rip currents, but I recently took it to one of our beach lakes and I cannot wait to use this cabana all summer long. After hours in the sun, I came home without a sunburn, so that was pretty impressive, but that's just my point of view.